Part 2 of restoring a bench sander. I found out what I'd done wrong. This, the plug, the switch, you see that? It's in the completely wrong way, so it wasn't turning on at all. So flip that round. So let's reassemble this. Simple mistake, but you know, it happens. Hopefully it should work after I put it back together. I don't see why not now. Okay, switch makes a nice clicky sound. Better work. Screwing about, literally screwing. Okay, right. Okay. Bit fiddly. Yep. One, two, three. Yay! It works. So use a little bit of a polish. Sort of works. Yep, that works. You can see some aluminium there. Ground off. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's a bit shinier, a bit cleaner. So, the thing works, as suspected. Quite nice too, don't look bad. Right, till the next power tool restoration.